In this video, we're going to be looking at the Crosslinked components upper fork guards. Full disclosure, Crosslinked components sent me these fork guards free of charge for review purposes. The Crosslinked components fork guards come as a set. You can see the lower upper and the upper to give full coverage of the upper tubes. They're made of plastic. I measured the thickness about 3 millimeters. Another unique feature is the guard is tapered to match the shape of the fork tubes. So the lower upper is narrow at the bottom and gets wider. The upper is wider at the bottom and gets narrower to ensure a good fit. If I turn it over, they have a slit in the back, so you can just clip them onto the fork tubes. And you can see the finish is the same as the outside. Installation of the guard's super easy. As I mentioned, they've got this slit, so you simply push it onto the fork tube. Obviously, make sure the fork tube is nice and clean before you install it. On my forks, I'm using a tug strap. So I've got the tug strap up to the top, and I'm going to clip it in place just underneath. You should note that the lower upper guard has a Crosslinked components logo at the top, and you can position this logo on the inside or outside of the fork. I'm going to have it on the outside so you can see it, and I think that's probably a good position. And then the upper guard installs in the same way. You have the sticker at the top and just snap it into place. So super easy installation. If you do ride in rocks, really good idea to have some upper tube protection. If you do drop your bike onto a rock and it hits this area or even the upper area, the inner bushing does travel inside here. And if you've dented this area, you will have problems with stiction. And worst case, it can actually lock up solid. So really good idea to have some guards like this, and will hopefully save you some money.